Hi AI. I like to show you something special. My project, it is my baby. It's implementation of ChatGPT inside Google Sheets, but it is with memory, and it is probably first implementation this kind in memory inside Google Sheets. And as you see here, it is some interface with system. This ChatGPT inside Sheets, it's very convenient for marketers, for prompt engineers, even if you are a developer, probably it will be better than using Playground, because you can also control in real time cost of your prompts. I will show you. Okay, I have this first prompt. I'd like to, as a system, you are a marketer and researcher. You prepare a product comparison chart, and I can choose here temperature. We can make 75. And also we can choose model, but you have to have access to you have to have access to GPT-4 if you want to use it in your account. Okay, and now we can just click send. It will take some time because it is GPT-4. It isn't so fast like GPT 3.5 Turbo, and we have to wait a moment. What you have here, you can make document after you are produce some texts. You can by one click make document and work in Google Docs with it. You can save your prompts, and you have some kind of prompts library here. And as you see, I have a lot of them, but I need to make some. I have to delete some of them, and now it is working still. You have also memory. You have history of your prompts here. It is really powerful tool, and what's more, you can check how many tokens has your prompt. When you open it, we couldn't open tokenizer, but we can click just here and just Control V, and we have that this is nearly 700 tokens. We can check what happened here. As you see here, yeah, here we have everything together, and it is more than this amount of tokens because it calculates also this answer. Okay, and now you have table, because I asked about table. I ask which one is better, because I'd like to show you that this is with memory, and it is like ChatGPT in browser, but better. Here we have table. Now you can click just here, table or code. If you have code here, it will make also special tab, new sheet here. And as you see, I have this table, nice formatted here, and you can use this data in a very convenient manner. No more copying and pasting your data between browser. And what is important, when you are using API in OpenAI, then your data is safer, because when you are using browser, then your data could be used by OpenAI. Okay, guys. Just tell me, is it nice for you? What do you think? What's more, if you have these tokens here, 4,000 tokens, and here you will see price for your prompt, and here you can choose different currency. In my case, Polish zlotys, yeah, and it is 56 grosze. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Give me some feedback. Tell me it is something nice or isn't. And are you interested in using this kind of tool, or maybe in browser is better? Thank you. See you later. Hi AI. Bye.